New Disney website. The Walt Disney Company has a new free website. This website has Disney videos, stories, and activities. People are staying home because of the coronavirus. This website wants to help people have fun. This website is called DisneyMagicMoments.com. This website has a new animated TV series. The TV series is about Olaf from the Frozen movies. Famous people read their favorite stories on the website. The website has music and dance classes too. What are you doing to have fun at home? What does the website want to help people have? Fun, cakes, parties.
Fun.
Who is the animated TV series about? Cinderella, Olaf, Donald Duck.
Olaf.
What do famous people read on the website? Recipes, newspapers, stories.
Stories.